Hello, the company has released a set of vulnerabilities in its CODESYS software development kit that could lead to remote code execution and denial of service. The utility is designed to help operators gain control over their data and perform specific tasks. However, some of the vulnerabilities allow attackers to execute arbitrary code without resorting to brute force. CVE 2022-47385. After successful authentication, specific crafted communication requests can cause the CmpAppForce component to write attacker-controlled data to stack, which can lead to a denial of service condition, memory overwriting, or remote code executing. CVE 2022-47391. Crafted communication requests may cause the affected products to read internally from an invalid address, potentially leading to a denial OFS. FC v3.0.1. Authentication. For more information on these vulnerabilities, see the What's Up with this bug section. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.